Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. How do you use the Bydureon pen? The Bydureon pen was discontinued in March 2021 and has been replaced by Bydureon Bcise Autoinjector. Here are the instructions for using the Bydureon Bcise Autoinjector. The Bydureon Bcise Autoinjector has been designed to be easy to use. There is no need to attach a needle, the hidden needle is already attached, or turn a dial. Always store your Bydureon Bcise Autoinjector flat in the refrigerator. The Bydureon Bcise Autoinjector can be self-injected at home once a week and it is easy to learn how to administer it yourself. If you have difficulty injecting it, a family member, friend, caregiver, or healthcare provider may be able to do it for you. Instructions for injecting the Bydureon Bcise Autoinjector are given below. Firstly, take one Bydureon Bcise Autoinjector out of the refrigerator and rest it flat on a bench for 15 minutes. Do not try to speed up this process by warming it in any other way, like putting it in hot water or the microwave, as this may destroy the pen or the medicine. Check the expiration date, and if it has passed, do not use the autoinjector, contact your pharmacist. Choose an injection site on your stomach, but not closer than 2 inches from your belly button, your upper, outer, thigh, or the back of your arm. This site is usually only used if somebody else is giving you the injection, otherwise it is hard to reach. To keep your skin from thickening or getting lumpy, try not to inject in the same spot. Instead, choose a slightly different injection site, although you can still use the same general area. If you want to, you can wipe the site with an alcohol swab and allow it to dry. Before unlocking the device, you need to shake it to mix it. With the orange cap pointing upwards, shake the device up and down hard for at least 15 seconds. Hold the autoinjector up to the light and look through the viewing window to check it is evenly mixed. If there is white medicine along the sides, shake it for longer until it is evenly mixed. Once it is mixed well, you need to inject it right away. Do not store for later use. Unlock the autoinjector. Hold the autoinjector up straight with the orange cap toward the ceiling and turn the knob from the lock to the unlock position. Once you have done that, unscrew the orang cap by turning it counterclockwise. You may need to turn the cap a few times before it loosens. If you hear clicking, you are turning in the wrong direction. Continue holding the autoinjector upright to prevent the medicine from leaking. You will notice a green shield has popped up after the cap was removed. This hides the needle. Turn the autoinjector so the needle is facing downwards and then push and hold it into your preferred injection site. You will hear a click when the injection begins. Continue holding it against the skin for 15 seconds. This is to make sure you get the full dose. Once the full dose has been given, an orange rod will appear in the window. Lift the autoinjector from your skin, and the green shield will move back up to lock over the needle. Throw the used autoinjector in an FDA-approved sharps container. Each autoinjector is for single use only. If you need any help, ring 1-800-236-9933. Related questions: how long does it take for Bydureon Bcise to take effect? How long can Bydureon be unrefrigerated? How does Bydureon work? RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.